Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can buy USDT on Binance. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your Binance account, and from here, you then want to click on Buy Crypto. Simply inside this page, it's extremely simple. Just enter the amount that you want to spend with. Let's go ahead and say that I want to spend around 100 US dollars, so you can just go ahead and put that right here. Unfortunately, I'm having some glitches on my Binance right here. It won't allow me to buy, but as you can see, you can just enter the amount, and from there you then have to simply choose USDT as the crypto asset. From there, you will be able to see how much you will receive. Hit on the enter button, and from there you will be able to choose multiple payment methods like bank transfer, credit card, and more. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.